This braided heart bread is so much easier than you think, and it tastes incredible. After you've mixed up your dough and let it rise until it doubles in size, you're going to turn it out onto a floured work surface. Dust on some flour, fold it over, and smooth out the edges until it's easy to handle. We're going to divide our dough up into 6 equal pieces. A kitchen scale makes this super easy. Next, you're going to just smooth out each piece of dough. You want it nice and flat, and then you're going to roll it up. No need to be super technical or precise here. This is just our pre-shaping. Once each of those pieces of dough is rolled up and pre-shaped, now it's time to move on to the final shaping. We're going to be rolling each piece of dough out into a 24-inch rope. Use the palms of your hands and work from the center out, and you want to make sure that you taper your dough at the ends. Grab 3 of your ropes and you're going to pinch them together on one end. Now we're ready to start braiding. Take that center rope and place it over the right rope. You're going to bring the right rope into the center, and that becomes your center rope. Now you take that center rope and place it over the left rope, bringing the left rope towards the center. Continue alternating that center piece with the left and the right sides until you have one long braided piece of dough. And when you get to the end of that braid, carefully pinch the dough together. Make sure you taper it just slightly at the end as well. Braid the other 3 pieces of dough, making a second braid. You're going to arrange those together on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. As you arrange this heart shape, pinch the dough together at the 2 ends where they meet. And look at how adorable our heart-shaped breaded loaf is. We're going to cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it slightly rise while we preheat our oven. Brush it with egg wash before you put it in the oven. The egg wash is going to give it a nice shiny sheen, and it's also going to give it a beautiful golden color as it bakes. Bake your braided loaf until it's nice and golden. The internal temperature should read about 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Let your bread cool on the pan for about 15 minutes before you place it on a wire cooling rack. This is the perfect pull-apart bread for any meal, especially for Valentine's Day. Find the full recipe and set of instructions at thatbreadlady.com.